The first test is very simple. Very simple. Whichever club, whichever house, what I say, whichever house replies first and loud wins. Simple. What? The game is simple. When I say hey hey, you say. When I say ho ho, you say. Ready? Ready? Yes. Ready? Yes. Hey hey. I heard from you. Ho ho. Again. Tigers, hey hey! Again? Falcons, ho ho! Dolphins, hey ho! I think Bulls have you drank some Red Bull? I'm not sure. Bulls have come with some fantastic energy. Before, settle down, Bulls. Well done, Bulls. Please settle down. Thank you. Settle down. Now,
Go back. Hello, guys. Please go.
Okay, guys. Bulls were fantastic. What an energy. But I have another test so that Tigers, Dolphins, Falcons can redeem themselves. The next game, it's a game of timing. Understood? It's a game of timing. So, when I will act like a mosquito. Kavish, I will act like a mosquito. When I say zzz, you need to beat the mosquito. So, when the mosquito comes close to me, you clap. Understood? One trial. Zzz. Very fast. Zzz. Very fast. Zzz. Don't beat it, Svaran. The Bulls are really strong, I guess. My God. Tigers! Fantastic. Lovely. No. Mosquitoes have gone, guys. Mosquitoes have gone. We have sprayed some fuel and well done. Alright. Beginning the event. Let's begin the event first of all by settling down in your respective houses. Officially, good evening everyone. Welcome to the closing ceremony of ARA Carnival 3.0 2024. Can I have a big round of applause for the carnival, guys? Am I hearing boos? Sir, let's cut marks for the Bulls. They are booing us. Bulls, can you cut the mark?
Yes.
Alright. So, before we begin the individual awards and then later the carnival awards, I would like to thank the club ARA, our club ARA, the directors, all the players, all the parents, all the coaches, and all the organizing staff. Let's have one more round of applause for everyone for this wonderful carnival. Fantastic. So before we move on to the final ceremony, we have some awards to give out to some promising players. So we have some promising players and best achievers from different sports which have performed in various events, various sports throughout the year. So we would be honoring them one by one. We would call them. I will again ask all of you to give a big clap when they are called to hand out the awards for the squash. May I request
iPod का मैंने फर्स्ट यूज किया है
May I request Mr. Pramod sir and Pradeep sir to come on stage to hand over the awards for the squash, please. The award in squash for Promising Player of the Year goes to Kavyan Jain. Keep clapping, guys. Keep clapping. And the award in squash for Achiever of the Year goes to Rudra Kakkar. Well done. Handing out the awards for badminton now, requesting coaches to take care of the badminton sport over here. On stage, Dilip sir. Please come on stage, Mr. Kaushal sir. Yes sir, Harsh sir, please come on stage. As well as Neil sir. Neil sir also come on stage please. Neil sir, yes you. Alright, one more time, ready for badminton. Promising player 2024 goes to Parvat Thakkar. हिंदी में बोलो तो क्यों हम कंजूसी कर रहे हैं तालियों में गाइस? हम भी उसमें भी हो सकते हैं अवार्ड्स गाइस. Alright, and one more promising player 2024 badminton goes to Arna Patel. Well done. And Achiever of the Year 2024 badminton goes to Paridhi. Referees, please note the house which doesn't applaud well, doesn't clap well, gets a minus point. Okay? Well done. And last award in the badminton category, Achiever of the Year 2024, Pahal Nagadia. Referees, please note the houses. Thank you so much, coaches.
आप सब पीछे जाओ ना. Go back. Go.
Requesting coaches who take care of the tennis sport over here. On stage, please. Khanna sir, Piyush sir, Mahesh sir, Rakesh sir, Anil sir. And now, the most awaited awards, tennis category, Promising Player 2024. The first award goes to Advait Dudra. So Advait is not present. Another award, Promising Player 2024, goes to Ashi Patwa. Big round of applause. Unfortunately, Advait and Ashi could not make it to the award ceremony today. Moving on to Achiever of the Year, tennis, goes to Arya Chotalia. Well done, Arya. Achiever of the Year 2024 in tennis is Dwanit Tang. Thank you so much, coaches. Requesting coaches from the football category, Mr. Salim Patan sir, Mr. Malhar sir, Mr. Tushar sir, Saurabh sir, Mihir sir, Meet sir on stage, please. Requesting Meet sir on stage, please.
आ जाओ ना।
Who's waiting for the football awards, guys? Who's waiting for the football awards? There is a big list over here. Vishwas sir, you are missing out over here. Come on. And Khushi ma'am. Unfortunately, Puran sir had to go early because of some previous circumstances. I think let's do the football awards later, or no? What do you say? No, let's do it later. Let's do it later. Starting with the awards for the football category. The award for the promising player of the year, football, from the under-9 category is one of the most promising players, disciplined players, and the future of India, as described by the coaches. Award goes to Ansh Khagra. Big clap for him now. And now, this promising player, next in football, has made a lot of promises to himself, to his coaches, to his parents, and is fulfilling his promises. The award goes to Dian Patel. And the next award for Promising Player 2024 is a tiny player but a massive talent. Please welcome Yash Meena. Yes, let's be done. One more promising player of the year. His aim is very focused. His Laksh is very focused. So let's give a big round of applause for Laksh. Guys, कंजूसी क्यों कर रहे हो? Keep clapping, guys.
पीछे बैठना थोड़ा और थोड़ा और हिल तो सही थोड़ा ऐसे से नहीं पीछे जाओ.
And now we go with Achiever of the Year awards in football, starting from younger to older. The award for Achiever of the Year, the first award goes to someone who is again small but with a massive heart. Let's give a big round of applause for Viren Kukaria. Well done, bro. One more achiever of the year. वो खुद ही सब कुछ काम करता है. He works hard for the team. वो स्वयं ही सब कुछ काम करता है. So requesting स्वयं on stage, please.
बैठ का
ये जो
ले लिया मैं वीडियो भी बना रहा हूँ फोटो भी ले रहा हूँ जो अच्छा है
Award for the Achiever of the Year 2024. He is one of the standout players since for us, for our teams, since last 2 years. This is one of those stories who has risen from the ranks from our younger age groups to higher age groups to representing ARA in the All India Football Federation Youth League categories. Requesting Jyot Patel to come on stage and collect the award, please. And last but not the least, promising player from the football category has a very similar story like Jyot. Has risen from, he was a very child over here and now he's representing ARA in the under 15 category. Requesting Ridhan to come on stage, please. Thank you, coaches. Requesting Nilay sir and table tennis coaches on stage, please. Who is waiting for table tennis awards, guys? So let's start with Achiever of the Year award, table tennis. This is someone who got total 3 gold medals in under 9 in first Ahmedabad Open Tournament, 6th Ahmedabad District Championship, as well as SFA 2024. Requesting Viha Rathod on stage, please. Thank you, Viha. Moving on to another promising player of the year, table tennis, goes to a gold medal in the SFA tournament winner, Jash Mehta. Congratulations, Jash. Moving on to Achiever of the Year, table tennis. This is someone who got total 3 gold medals in 2024 in the 6th Ahmedabad District Championship, under 13 as well as CISCE Games, under 14 as well as Okura under 15. Requesting Dhyan on stage, please. And last but not the least, awarding Achiever of the Year for a total of 3 silver medal awardees, 2 silver medals in inter-district team championships, as well as 1 silver medal at Okura. Ruthvi Leah. Talia ruki nahi chahiye, guys. All the houses. Don't forget there are juries standing over here. Imam sir is watching everything.
ఎప్పటికీ డీడీకి లెక్క మంచి అవును మరి शुरू हो गया
धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे अवार्ड्स चलते जा रहे हैं आप लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे आते जा रहे हो. कोई बात नहीं, मार्किंग सब होता जा रहा है. एक और टेस्ट है, मुझे पीछे से बोला गया कि आई नीड टू टेक वन मोर टेस्ट बिकॉज पूरे साल एग्जाम्स बहुत आती है, टेस्ट बहुत आती है. ओके, द टेस्ट इज व्हेन आई से हाय यू से हेलो. व्हेन आई से हेलो यू से ओके हाय हेलो हाय 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 हेलो हाय हेलो हेलो हाय हेलो हाय. Very good. Now we would hand out awards for star performers in the carnival. So be ready over here. I would request requesting Salim sir to come on stage to hand out the awards for star performers of Carnival 2024. So we would be awarding house-wise. So I would give 4 awards, one for each category in each house. So star performers of Carnival 2024 from the Bulls house, from the 5 to 7 years age group goes to, when I call you, one by one come on stage. Harshiv Thakkar. Come on stage, Harshiv. From the 8 to 10 years age, Nainita. Come on stage, Nainita. Other houses, तालियां नहीं रुकी चाहिए. 11 to 14, Riyan Sharma. Harshiv, stay on stage. Everyone just stay, wait for your turn over there. And from the 15 plus, Pranil. Bulls, why are you not clapping? This is for you. Tigers, Dolphins and Falcons, why are we not clapping?
Oh, पीछे जाओ, go back.
Well done, congratulations to everyone. Awarding.
Go back. थोड़ा सा पीछे चलेगा ना.
Requesting Harsh sir on stage, please. He'll be most excited to hand out the awards for Dynamic Dolphins. Are you ready? Yes! From the 5 to 7 years age, award for star performer from the DD category goes to Darsh Sukwani. In the 8 to 10 category, Virat Bansal. 11 to 14, Riyan Patel. And 15 plus, I am going to skip this award. What says Zishan? Am I going to skip this award? 15 plus, Zishan. To take Harshala's place, Nupur ma'am is coming on stage, please. Awarding the Furious Falcons. Star performers of Carnival 2024, Furious Falcons, from the 5 to 7 years age, goes to Kavish Patel. 8 to 10, Vihan Patel. 11 to 14, Jian Patel. And from 15 plus adult category, Tanish. Congratulations, Tanish. Please join us on stage. Thank you, everyone. And to hand out the awards for the Terrific Tigers, I would request Manish sir to come on stage, please. Terrific Tigers, are you terrific? Yeah! The awards for star performers of Carnival 2024 Terrific Tigers from 5 to 7 category goes to Jayit. 8 to 10, Moksh Desai. 11 to 14, Vihan Singh. And 15 plus, Chirag Patel. Chirag Patel, we remember you from the performance in the cricket tournament. Yes, sir. Players, we are noting down who is not clapping, huh? Fantastic. And now we are very close to handing out the final trophies. So let me check on the internet if we have the results for Carnival for the houses. Let me check on the internet now.
नहीं आएगा और पीछे और इधर आ जाओ पीछे आ गया यहाँ पे आ जा तेरा भाई को तो ले जा थोड़ा सा इधर आ जाओ और सब पीछे पीछे चला जाओ इधर तो कितनी स्पेस खाली है वही तेरी टीम का है इधर चला जा पीछे जा इधर से सब लोग चलेंगे इधर से सब चल के आएंगे पे सब चल के आएंगे
I am surprised. I am surprised. We have the results in front of me, and there is only a 400-point gap between first and the fourth. So it's, honestly speaking, a very, very, very close call for all the houses. One big round of applause for everyone. All of us are winners. So now we'll start the awards, the trophies now. Before we start the trophies and the medals, I would request the captains to take care when you are called out. Make a line age-wise over here. Requesting, then you will request the players. Sit down. Requesting the players to collect their individual medals and then the goodie bags, and then you can gather around behind. All right. So let's see who has finished. Not bad. Fourth in the carnival. You're not a loser. Well done. The award, fourth category, Furious Falcons. Requesting all the participants from the Furious Falcons to gather over here. Our directors, Mr. Krinesh Patel sir and Mr. Prathamesh Patel sir, would be handing out the awards.
ओनर कौन छोकरा हो गया इसको ऐसा लगे कि डॉल्फिन लास्ट आई तो 5 लोग हो गया कई भाई हो गया पोस्ट का चैनल बाकी આપણે લાઈવ ચાલુ હશે બાકી લાઈવ પોસ્ટ કરેંगे
Requesting all the 3 houses who are waiting for the turn, please bear for a few more minutes and sit down, please. Dolphins, bulls and tigers, please be seated. And now, waiting with bated breath, the house which finished third in Yare Carnival goes to Dynamic Dolphins.
नेगेटिव આવશે ને હવે वो जीते थे भाई 400 points थी
And now I'm feeling hot, I guess. I know I'm tensed a bit. मुझे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है, मुझे थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा है.
5900 something side
Who will it be? Who will be first and who will be second? Who will be first? Who will be second? All of us are winners, no problem. Now the award for the house which finished second. The award goes to Terrific Tiger.
વચ્ચે મારો હાથ આવશે તું
લાઈવ ચાલુ છે
આવશે આવશે ट्रॉफी काय दिली होती ट्रॉफी क्या છે जैसे बैठे वैसे बैठ जाओ पेरेंट्स थोड़ा पाछा जाओ आ बाजू लाइट नहीं होती
DJ Bravo.
शांताबाई के चलने की आवाज में तुम लोगों ने शांताबाई ऐसी बात है जिसके आते ही दिल की धड़कन तेज हो जाती है हवा रुक रुक के चलने लगती है मौसम बदल जाता है और उसकी पायल तो ऐसे बजती है कि जैसे छम 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 વિડીયો સખત જ્યાં છોકરી બસ આના પછી આ વિડીયો ફોટો સાથે
बैटरी नहीं आ
પોસ્ટ કરેगा अपन बस ना राखी तो हमारे सिंधु भवन पर
कल देखो
अरे वो तो पढ़ने के बाद भी
મારો ક્યાં ગયો એને એવું જ હતું એ પેલા બીજાનું જોયું
કેવો છો જવા
એનામાં હારે ને
બંધ કરો